Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 3a to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and set it up by tapping on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Google, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect, by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!